Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to activate ephemeral mode on Instagram using your Android or iPhone. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap the messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen to access your direct messages. Now choose the chat where you want to use ephemeral mode. Tap to open that conversation. Here comes the trick: place your finger on the screen and swipe up. As you do this, you'll see a message pop up saying something like, "Turn on disappearing messages." You're now in ephemeral mode. Any message you send or receive will disappear automatically once it's seen and the chat is closed. If you want to exit ephemeral mode, just swipe up again inside the chat and release. And that's it. Now you know how to activate and deactivate ephemeral mode on Instagram.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.